Hey everyone, welcome to Excel Easy Mastery. Ready to craft a dazzling calendar with a swift current date toggle and vibrant holiday highlights? Let's ignite your spreadsheet skills. New to the channel? Pause and watch my first calendar tutorial to build the calendar on screen. Click the video card on the right to catch up and soar into this thrilling upgrade. With your calendar prepped, we're adding a toggle to leap to today's date and showcase holidays for any month. Using Excel wizardry and formatting flair, we'll transcend our old year-bound calendar. Let's roll. Begin by selecting cells J1 to K2 and wiping out the months and years data. Highlight rows 1 and 2. Then insert 2 blank rows for breathing room. Merge cells B2 to D2, add a crisp border, then repeat for F2 to H2 for a sleek appearance. Clear data validation in B4 and G4 via the Data tab. Selecting Data Validation and clicking Clear All for both. In B2, craft a dropdown with current date and custom date using Data Validation, List. And test it, it'll soon steer your calendar. Enter July 6th in G2. After a few more tweaks, toggling B2 to custom date will display July, or current date will jump to today's month. Pure brilliance. In B4, add the on-screen formula to display the month based on B2. In G4, use the formula shown to show the year. Experiment with B2's dropdown, try fresh dates in G2, and watch your calendar spring to life. Format G2 with a custom date style for a polished touch. Set B2 to current date. Add conditional formatting for G2 with the formula shown, then format with invisible text and no borders. Switch B2 to custom date, see G2's date reappear? Absolute magic! Style B2's drop-down with a vibrant fill to make it shine. Merge J4 and K4. In J4, type holidays of the month. And widen columns J and K. Rename this sheet calendar. Then add a holidays sheet with dates and holiday names in A and B columns. In J5, enter the formula shown to display holidays for the selected month. And then format J5 and J11 as custom dates for a sharp look. Now, unleash stunning conditional formatting. For J4, apply the formula shown on screen and set invisible text and no borders to hide it when there are no holidays for the selected month. Format J5 to K11 to display the holiday list in your desired style. For your calendar grid D6 to J11, highlight today's date with the formula shown on screen. Using a vivid fill to make it stand out when B2 is current date. For custom dates, use the next formula in the same calendar grid with a distinct fill to emphasize the date in G2 when B2 is custom date. For holidays, apply the final formula with a festive fill, ensuring every holiday from your holiday sheet sparkles in the calendar grid. Experiment with fonts, borders, or fills to craft a look that's uniquely yours. This is your chance to make the calendar a visual masterpiece. Your calendar's a triumph. Toggle B2, try new dates in G2, and bask in its glory. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe to Excel Easy Mastery for more Excel magic. See you next time.